Yes. Welcome back to Oliveboard. Myself Jay Sharma, and today we are going to discuss a new news event that is Prime Minister Vishwakarma Yojana. This Yojana's importance is to empower the artisans and the craft people of India. So that means government wants to boost the local industries, right? From the ground roots, people should increase their manufacturing capacities or majorly for the MSME sector. So based upon this, they have been launched this particular news. There's a scheme on 17th September 2023 on the Vishwakarma Jayanti, whose objective is simply to empower the artisans and preserve the India's cultural heritage. It is a very short news, so we'll cover it very quickly. The key features of this particular news event is that government has announced a financial outlay of 13,000 crore from financial year 2023-24 to 2027-28. We have a free registration through common service centers that is available in each districts or each villages, we could say, by using biometric based PM Vishwakarma portal. And they have a recognition. They will be even providing recognition to our artisans and craft persons as Prime Minister or PM Vishwakarma certificate and even ID card. Government is even providing the credit support of collateral free loans up to rupees 2 lakh at 5% interest, so that is very low. And in fact, the skill development, for skill development, government is providing the basic and advanced training program. Government is even providing the toolkit incentive that is around rupees 15,000 through e-voucher. So this is a very good initiative. And in fact, government is also providing the digital and marketing support, that is the incentive for digital transactions and marketing integration. So that is what government is providing. Whereas if we talk about its impact is very simple, that it will till now around 25.8 million applications have received so far, among which 2.37 millions are successful registration as of November 4, 2024. And that's why it came into news, because they have released a new list of successful registrations. And in fact, nearly 1 million artisans has benefited from the toolkit incentive. So its objective is very simple, that is to uplift our traditional artisans, and we have to integrate them into the domestic and global value chain, so that we could increase vocal for local or local for vocal kind of initiative. Make in India, made in India, such kind of initiative should be promoted in India, so by this particular scheme. Okay, so as I said, it's a very short scheme in which we have discussed the key features and the actual factual figures that has been required. So this is it from today's video. In the coming video, we'll be covering more such kind of topic. Till then, stay safe and study well. Thank you.